David Solis is here.
Annabelle is here.
And we are making a handkerchief mask. Mommy Irish is not here because this is so easy to make. We just want to show you that even us kids can make it. So you don't need to sew anything. You don't need to sew, you don't need any tape. All you need is 2 hairbands and of course a handkerchief. So step 1, fold the handkerchief in half, like this.
Yeah.
And then fold the handkerchief again. Not fold. You don't fold it like. Don't fold it like this. Fold it like this. Then the good thing about this is you could adjust it. So let's say you swallow, you could fold it again. But we're just using this. Then you need to put your rubber bands in like
or
this.
you can use hairbands.
Yeah, your hairbands or rubber bands. Or your hairband's. So you put them in like this.
Don't put them in like this. Put them in like this.
Okay, let's not talk about the things you don't have to do. Let's just talk about the things we do need to do. So after you put them all in, then you fold this one over then you fold this one over, then you fold this one over. You need to pull them. So that's sort of your hand. So this is sort of what the mask is supposed to look like, but it's not secure enough.
Yeah.
So you have to go back and to right here and put this inside here for it to be secure. And once again, pull.
And voila.
Yes. Voila. You can also wear these after quarantine. You can still wear these just to make sure you're safe. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.